What's up guys, welcome back to another Crispy Worx video. Shale over here. Today we're gonna be working on the golf again, and there's a couple of things I want to do on the golf today, but before I get into that, I just want to thank all of you guys, you new faces that have subscribed, and all of you guys that have been watching our videos. We really appreciate it. I feel like we've been growing nicely, and our goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Hopefully we can get there together, guys. And yeah, I see you guys like the previous video. I had some fun making that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it like I did. I saw some of you guys comments. So yeah guys, today we're gonna be putting on these like plastic proofing over these doors before I put on the new door panels when the interior is done. And also I need to still put back the intake manifold. I also need to, I'm going to show you guys a couple of stuff that I bought as well. I bought brake line pipes because our brake line pipes are damaged. It's leaking brake fluid, so I need to completely replace those. And I bought the tools that I need to do those things, the flaring tool and to bend the pipe so that it doesn't bend with the kink in the pipe. So that is important. So also I'm going to take you guys, I need to go and make a t-shirt for myself, because we're gonna be going to some upcoming events, so we need to look professional. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. Peace. Okay guys, so this is a tool that I was talking about, angle tool that helps bend the brake pipe to whatever degree angle you want. I prefer using this tool instead of my hands to bend the pipe. You don't want to make any kinks in the pipe. So that's what I bought. It was really inexpensive. It was 85 Rand. And then I bought this brake flaring tool, which flares the brake pipe right on the end so that it fits nicely onto the caliper, so that there's no leaks. And then also I bought some of the brake pipe over here. It was like 50 Rand per meter, so I bought about 4 meters just in case I might need extra. And then also this was like 185 Rand, really inexpensive as well. And then also I bought like a fuses, a whole lot of fuses, which came with the tester as well, a test light. So this was also just 100 Rand, really inexpensive. So I need to put new fuses inside my fuse box, so that was essential for me as well. Guys, so we got the new t-shirts over here. I must say the fit is a bit better than the other ones. Yeah, this is gonna be lekker to work on. Long sleeve also, so I don't dirty my forearm. Yeah, feel more professional. So yeah guys, let's continue with the work. Some beautiful of a dog, bruh. Okay guys, so just want to show you the progress of how far we are with the interior of the car and how far I got. So just gonna let you guys take a look. Okay guys, so I'm not really so worried about the interior. I'm not gonna focus on trying to get the interior done anytime soon, because it's gonna take a big chunk out of my budget. So This is how far it is. I'm gonna be putting back the seats. At least you know we have the carpet in the dash. I still wanna secure it properly, and then also wanna secure the harness in properly over there. And then I'm just holding this like this because the door lock out because it broke. So I need to replace that door lock over there. But as you can see, I put these plastic sheeting on top of the doors just to prevent dust and accumulation of dirt getting inside of there. And so yeah guys, this is how far I am. I still need to put the felt proofing that I need to put over here, that I will be doing soon. And then yeah guys, my goal is for the next few videos, I'm going to be focusing only on the engine because I want to get this car started and driving. So as soon as we get the car started, then I'll focus on the brakes, because then we will be able to drive, and then I'll be able to go to places I want to go to with the Golf. That is the goal. And so yeah guys, there's a couple of stuff I still want to do right now. I just want to put the intake manifold and put on the fuel canister and do some piping. And yeah, let's do that guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna be fitting this fuel canister over here. So yeah guys, let's fit it. Okay guys, so I got most of the coolant pipes on. Got this one over here, this one on over here, this one over here, this one over there, and then you see this one goes into like a metal kind of pipe. The old one was rusted completely, so I got a new one. This is the new one that I fitted, going over there. Then I fitted this pipe over here, and fitted this pipe over here. I think it goes over here into the intake like that. And then yeah, so yeah guys, I'm just gonna be securing these clamps and going over them with a Tipex. So right now I have the fuel pump over here. This is a mechanical fuel pump because this is a carburetor and it's very old engine. So the fuel pump, as you can see here, this is where fuel is going to be coming in. There's an arrow right here. So fuel is going to be coming from the fuel tank all the way through this pipe into the fuel pump, out of the fuel pump into the canister over here, fuel canister. As you can see, here's the arrow over there. So it's going to come from the fuel pump up to here. So I need to make a pipe that comes up there. Then here's a return that goes back to the tank. As you can see, there's a R on over there. This goes back to the tank, and then from here this supplies fuel to the carburetor, which will go to this over there. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you gained some kind of value out of this video. Yeah guys, please, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. We'll really appreciate it. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. That is our goal for this year, and hopefully you guys can help us achieve it. And yeah guys, almost there. Just a few more extra things so we can get the car started. And yeah, that is the goal, and get this car started and rolling with it. So yeah guys, till next time.